Hello ma'am, welcome to this video. In this video, I will discuss with you how to customize or add and create a 𝘧𝘰𝘶 package on your website. So first of all, this is our new package web page for resumes, and you can see this is the image option on our package. Then this is our description box, and this is our package box. So once you have select the executive or mid-level management, here is the package type, three of package type: good, better, then best. So if you choose the good, you can see the price will change, then better, and same to same executive. And here is some feature of this package: executive, then best package, and good package. You can see this is our changeable. So you can edit by click here, or you can edit by going our admin area, then product option, then all product, and you can see here all of our product has been listed. So first of all, we are going to edit this ALA card service, or you can see here is the package. So I'm clicking the edit option and open link in new tab on my browser. Please take a while so that the web page has been loaded on our website, on our browser. So you can see this is completely loaded on our web browser. So this is our name, product name, that means package name. If I want to show you the area of our product page, this is our name, title name. So here you can see, you can change of your mind. Then this area for the description, which means here this is the description box. And then this is the first column for description, and the main column of our product, this is product data. You can see product data. Here you can choose four type of product: simple, then group, then affiliate product, and variable. But we need to use the product type, data type of variable product, because our product is some value or some customization. So we need to choose the variable product types. So once we have choose the product variable data type, then you can find the attribute and variation of this product. So first of all, we need to go our attribute, and you can see the select package and package type. So first of all, the select package, that means this is the name select package, the first executive, then mid-level, and same to same the select package name, then executive, then mid-level, and then package type: good, better, and best. So this is our package type, then good, better, and best. This the two type of source here, two type of source. So now we need to customize our this area. So once we have complete our attribute data for product, then we need to add the variation data type. So click on it, and you can see here this is the last of all: executive good, then executive better, and then executive best. This is our three products: executive good, executive better, and best. And then mid-level management, three type of product: first good, then better, then best. So first of all, we can edit our first product data type, executive good. So click like this. So I'm clicking, and you can change the image. Then regular price, you can see the 110 USD. So if I choose the executive, then the product data type of good. So you can see here, and then this is our stackable product. So we are different this page. Then the description, just regular price and description we need to customize. So you can customize any kind of information combined to our product, and when you complete all field, just click on it, and this is the expand. Then you can edit same like our previous product data type. This is the better data type, then best data type, and here you can change any kind of information, any kind of price on your mind. And then we need to just update our product or edit our product. So this way you can change, you can edit, and you can customize any kind of data information, price on this website. So I think you understand what I want to discuss with you. Thank you.